We are here with running the level and looking for market structure and patterns. All right, guys, let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Market started off with USD NOK back in 2006. So let's look for our levels of support and resistance. While we're creating our lines for support and resistance, we're going to take our time while we're going through these lines, and we'll be looking for patterns in the market. There's a lot of patterns in this area here, all over. Got about 2 more levels to go up to. That's our final line. Let's go in the market and see what's going on. I'm going to circle areas I see patterns. So there's a major pattern in this area here. Another pattern here. Another pattern here. There's another pattern here. There's another pattern here. And we have something going on here. So this is like 2 patterns in this area. Matter of fact, let's call this 1. 1 pattern here. And this pattern right here at the top is what did that, made that price actually do what it did. So let's start from the bottom. So there's a pattern here. This is a triple top. Okay, so if you think about an imaginary line that we draw up to the top here, now we just connected the triangle. Okay, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market came down. Look at it as a whole. What is it? 1, 2, 3. Triple top. Market came up once, couldn't break. Market came up twice, couldn't break. Market came up a third time, couldn't break. We already know when we see a retest, what happens? The market comes after the triple top. What happens? The market don't break. Market comes back to that retest, exactly what happened, and then market pushed down to areas of lower lows. We only got 1 push down to the low, but that 1 push also turned into a first leg of a double bottom. So here we go. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, W. The market came back to retest, and it pushed up 1, 2, 3 times areas of new higher high. Also, there's a pattern here too. So if you connect that W again, first leg, second leg, third leg at the doji, fourth leg at this doji, retest, market pushed up once. Okay, so double bottom happened again. Triple top, double bottom, another double bottom. So it's all consolidation here. And so all the market did was consolidate. So it tried to break out a few times, and they finally got that last double bottom, what made that push up. After the double bottom, there's a retest here. Market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, 3 times, 4 times, and so on. So basically, it's another consolidation area here. But besides the market consolidating that area here sideways, there's also a pattern, which is a W. So we know we see W's. The market's trying to come up. We have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market shot up once. Okay. If we zoom into that area here, once that fourth leg came up, I'm gonna clear this off a little bit. Once that fourth leg up, it actually became a double top. So double bottom continued into a double top. We've seen a double bottom. Here go to double top. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, double top. Okay, so the market couldn't break these areas here, 1 and 2, and they came into a double. Now, that fourth leg of the double top continued into a double bottom. Okay, so let's draw it out. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest at these 2 dojis. Market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down. Market pushed up a third time, came back down. And we got the final push up to the top. Market doesn't push up after 4 times. Once in the blue, you see 5, but that's rare. You always see about 4 times max. That's the market capped itself off here. So we went into a double bottom turned to a double top, went back into a double bottom, 3 pushes to the top, and then this area here with these wicks would made this market come down to this area of previous areas of lower lows. So what's happening here is that the market did a double top and a retest. So it was a long push up to the top. Market wasn't able to break. And the second candle did the same thing, but you got to read the wicks. Long push up to the top, came back down. Second push up to the top, came back down. Circle the tips. 1, 2, double top. We already know when we see a double top, so that's the market capping itself off at. What happens at the double top? The retest is at the doji, so market came back to retest, and then from there, that's how we got the push downs. 1 push down, 2 push down. Okay, so this still have time to still form, because if this is a real downtrend, the market can create that decline in this area here and bounce off and work its way down. But at the end of the day, we do know that this last candle right here is a retest if it closes out here. So it's basically a decline double bottom. So it's the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest is at this doji last candle. And from there, the market can push up or push down. But we do know we're coming from a double top. And most of the time, we do see about 3 pushes to the bottom. And we already at 1, 2. It could be another push if market doesn't break my resistance line that I created. Market come down to this area here, create momentum, and then go to the upside. If not, we know that the market could do what? Consolidate sideways. If not, what else can happen? The market this could be the double bottom where the first leg come, retest, and market shoots up. So there's multiple things that can happen. So we already know if we see a bullish candle, let's clear the screen up a little bit. We see a bullish candle coming to the downside. It's a strong red candle. My screen will be white. That means the market's coming down. If we see a big bearish, I said the letter's wrong. Let's reverse that. If we see a strong bullish candle to the upside, which will be yellow on my screen, or green in yours, that means the market's going up. We see a bearish candle coming to the downside, nice and huge, showing that the market's going to do what? Sell down the areas of lower lows, and that'll be the third push. The market can turn around and create momentum and go to the upside. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones running the levels. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. USD NOK.